Good morning dear students, welcome back. Today for once again I am here to discuss another important and an interesting topic of your English grammar, that is the punctuation. The word punctuation comes from the Latin word punctus, which means pointing something. So while we are writing a sentence, we need to follow the rules and regulations of punctuations. So what is punctuation? When we are writing sentence, we are putting some sign and symbol where these all are necessary. So this is called the punctuation for better understanding of the sentences. So let me discuss these all one by one briefly here in this short clip. The use of capital letter. So we should use the capital letter while we are writing the proper name. The first letter should be capital. Okay. And when we are writing the short forms, these all should be capital. For example, MSc, MA, MLA, these all should be capital. The second is use of full stop. Every sentence must be end on the full stop. So abbreviation, between the abbreviation we should put the full stop. It is also known as the period. Okay. And after that we have sign of exclamation. At the end of exclamatory sentence we should put the sign of exclamation. For example, alas, we have failed to win the match. So at the end of such types of sentences we should put the sign of exclamation. And another important sign is the question mark. At the end of questionary sentences, or we can say that interrogative sentences, we should put the sign of interrogations. For example, where are you going? This is a questionary sentence. We are asking something from you. So we should put the question mark at the end of this sentence. For example, is this your school? For example, how are you? So we should put the question mark at the end of all these sentences. And after that we have comma. There are two types of commas. One comma we are using while we are writing a sentence where we want to give the pause, we are using that comma. Okay. And the second is separative comma. When we are narrating a sentence, we are separating the reporting verb from the reported speech, we are putting this comma. Okay. And after that we have a apostrophe s. For position of a person, we are using the apostrophe s. Okay. For example, Ram's book, Alam's bat, we are using the apostrophe s with these nouns. So it shows the owns of a person, ownership of a person. Okay. And after that we have a colon. In the big narrative place we are writing colons instead of said. So in old English we were writing Ram said, Sham said, but in the modern technique we are only putting the 2 points instead of said. These 2 points are called colons. Okay. And after that we have a dash. So as you know, the blank part is called the dash. We have to put something there to clarify the meaning of the sentence. So this was about the dash. And after that we have the hyphen. Hyphen. A small dash is called the hyphen. So if a word is too long to fit on at the end of a line, it can be divided by a hyphen. If you have to divide a word in this way, remember to divide it by the symbol. Write the hyphen at the end of the first line, not the beginning of the next line. Okay. This was about the hyphen. And the slash it is also called oblique. It is generally used between alternative in fractions and ratio or between the separate elements of a text. So this is about the slash. And slips, a set of 3 dots indicating an omission. It is the omissions from a sentence of a word needed to complete the sense. In other words, it means leaving out words rather than repeating them unnecessarily. So this is about the slips. So this was all about the punctuation and the punctuation marks. I hope you have learned little bit about the punctuation in today's lesson. Thank you for listening. Fi amanillah. Have a nice